Good morning, viewer. Welcome to our Glory Globe TV. Here's a breaking news from Delhi. Yes, the Delhi police is on the lookout for a drone that reportedly hovered over the residence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi on Monday morning at around 5 am. The police were informed about the drone sighting by officers of the Special Protection Group, an elite force that protects the Prime Minister. After being altered, the Delhi police launched a search operation to track the drone. However, no drone was detected. Information was received about an unidentified flying object near the PM's residence. Through searches were made in nearby areas, but no such object was detected. The air traffic control room was also contacted. They also did not detect any such flying object near the PM's residence. The Delhi police said in a statement, yes, it is to be noted that PM Modi's residence comes under the red no-fly zone or no drone zone also. Beyond the report, Glory Globe TV, Delhi, India.